Today we're making a festive candy corn mosaic, perfect for Halloween. I've listed all the supplies below so you can create right along with me. Let's get started. First, figure out your pattern and decide what tiles you'll need for your base. I'm using a classic candy corn colors, white, orange, and yellow. Apply a thin layer of glue. I went a little heavy here, but it worked out fine. I'm using Well Bond, which dries in about an hour, so you'll have plenty of time to move and adjust your tiles. Apply your tiles. Place them where you want, and remember, you can shift them around until the glue sets. You'll see here that I applied the glue and the tiles in sections, but this base was small enough that I would have been able to coat the entire thing in glue and apply the tiles. For a larger base, you might want to do sections like I am here. After all of your tiles are applied, you're going to need to let the glue dry completely. You'll notice that it turns clear as it dries. It should be good to go in about an hour, maybe less if you use less glue. If a tile still moves when you nudge it, give it a little more time. Next, mix your grout. You're aiming for a peanut butter-like texture, thick enough to hold but soft enough to squeeze into all the gaps. Add water slowly. You'll need less than you think. Stir well and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. If after those few minutes it still seems dry, add a little bit more water. Apply the grout. I'm using a popsicle stick, but gloved fingers works too. Angle your stick about 45 degrees and press the grout into the gaps. And don't forget the edges. It's okay if it looks messy. Cleaning comes next. After the grout is applied, we're going to let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes to dry. But double check the directions on the grout that you use in case it states otherwise. Time to clean. Using a damp sponge, gently wipe across your mosaic. Don't press too hard, the grout is still soft at this point. Use the sponge to shape and soften the edges. Rinse your sponge often, and don't worry if the tiles aren't perfectly clean yet. We'll do another pass. Let the grout dry another 5 minutes and refresh your water if needed. Do a second gentle cleaning to really bring out your tiles. Smooth the grout and wipe away any extra. Use a dry paper towel or a soft cloth to buff away any haze. You can do this step now or after the grout is fully dry. Let your mosaic dry overnight. Once dry, you could paint the sides of your base. I went with black for contrast, but leaving the natural wood looks great too. And that's it. You've made a candy corn mosaic, a fun Halloween craft you can display, or use these same steps to create mosaics of any shape or design.